Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn English for Beginners. In the previous lesson, we learned a few greetings in English. In this lesson, you will learn a few common phrases in English. So, let's begin. Lesson 2. İkinci ders. Today's topic, common phrases. Common phrases. Genel ifadeler. I would again request you not to get into the details of the structures. The best would be to repeat each of them after you hear me. Good luck. Thanks. Thanks. O thank you. Thank you. Teşekkürler. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Çok teşekkür ederim. You are welcome. You are welcome. Rica ederim. My pleasure. My pleasure. Memnuniyetle. Not at all. Not at all. Bir şey değil. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much gibi minnettarlık kelimelerine tepki olarak you are welcome, my pleasure, not at all diyebilirsiniz. For example, thank you doctor. It's my pleasure. Another example, thanks for your help. Not at all. The next phrase, please. Please. Lütfen. Excuse me. Excuse me. Affedersiniz. İnsanların dikkatini çekmek için excuse me diyebilirsiniz. For example, excuse me, may I come in? I am sorry. I am sorry. Özür dilerim. For example, I am sorry, Lisa. The next phrase, I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. Affınıza sığınırım. For example, I beg your pardon. I didn't hear you. Once again, please. One more time, please. Lütfen bir kez daha. Please repeat. Please repeat. Tekrar et lütfen. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? İngilizce biliyor musunuz? I speak a bit of English. I speak a bit of English. Biraz İngilizce konuşuyorum. I don't speak English. I don't speak English. İngilizce bilmiyorum. I don't understand. I don't understand. Anlamıyorum. I don't know. I don't know. Bilmiyorum. Size do you speak English diye soru sorulanda siz yes, I speak a bit of English. Evet, biraz İngilizce konuşuyorum diye cevap verebilirsiniz. Ya da bilmiyorsanız no, I don't speak English. Hayır, İngilizce bilmiyorum diyebilirsiniz. The next phrase, no idea. No idea. Fikrim yok. No problem. No problem. Sorun yok. It's okay. It's okay. Her şey yolunda. Just a moment please. Just a moment please. Bir saniye lütfen. Wait a minute please. Wait a minute please. Bir dakika bekleyin lütfen. Yes. Yes. Evet. No. No. Hayır. Maybe. Maybe. Belki. Olabilir. Let's go through all these phrases once again. Don't forget to repeat after me. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. You are welcome. My pleasure. Not at all. Please. Excuse me. I am sorry. I beg your pardon. Once again, please. Please repeat. Do you speak English? I speak a bit of English. I don't speak English. I don't understand. I don't know. No idea. No problem. It's okay. Just a moment, please. Wait a minute, please. Yes. No. Maybe. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also comment below. For more, subscribe to the channel. Check out other videos. Bye.